Hi guys, for today's video I will show you how to recover deleted stories on Facebook in 2 minutes. Let's get started. Open the Facebook app on your mobile phone. On the upper right side, click the three lines icon. Then at the bottom of the screen, click Settings and Privacy. And under Settings and Privacy, scroll down and go to Your Information and click Download Your Information and click Request a Download. Then select your Facebook account and then click Next. You can select type of informations and then click Complete Copy. Then you will be routed to select file options. You can customize where you want to be notified, the kind of file, like the format. So you can on the notify, you can select what's email, and on the format or the kind of file you want to be sent to you. And you can change the media quality too, to high, medium, or low. Then next will be the date range, where you can choose the date of the storage that you want to be recovered, and then click save and customize your date range. Like you can choose some day and then click save. Once you're done the four options, click submit request. So once your request will be submitted, Facebook will process this one and you'll get notified via email and on Facebook, where you can download the file of this storage that you want to be recovered. That's it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.